What's up everybody, you know it's your boy there back with another video. And today video guys, we want to I'm gonna show you how to install Facebook on your smart TV. And this is the Imperial, and we're gonna show you how this video is to show you how to install Facebook if you don't already have Facebook. So how to install Facebook on your smart TV, Imperial. We're gonna go on App Store and we're gonna click App Store. Then we're gonna search. I'm gonna type in Facebook. Alright, there it is. So we're gonna click on Facebook. And there it is, that's Facebook. And we're gonna click install. And then the install with the processing will start. You can see it right there. It's loading up. Give it a couple seconds to load up. Alright guys, it's loading up. This is the way I know how to install it, but you can use your browser. And there's guys, so it's load up. So we're gonna put in our password and our email or your phone number that you use, or you can create a Facebook account. And when we type in the password and the email, I will get back to you guys. We type in the password, but it told us that when our Google Play Store service need to update in order for Facebook to run. So if you back up on this message, all you do, you just click update. And alright guys, and the message that you see pop up, what I did, I logged off the update service. I skipped the update service and install reconnect back my account, and you will see login automatically. What you do, you just click login automatically. When you click login automatically, it brings you back to this page. So if you see the first page pop up, that means just skip it off and enter your password, and then this will pop up. And when this screen pop up, click the blue screen, get started, and we're gonna allow. And here it is guys, here is your Facebook. We're gonna skip this. And there it is guys. That is all you install, and we're gonna allow we're gonna allow everything. this is your location. To show where you're located. You can deny. I will deny. If you don't want nobody to know your location, or you don't want your location to pop up, you don't have to. And here it is, guys. This is Facebook, and this is Facebook. This is how I install Facebook on my smart TV Imperial. If this helped you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that thumbs up, click that like button, and help me to reach guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and click that like button, click that thumbs up, and enjoy, guys. Peace.